How to turn on a best friend message sound notification on Snapchat. Today guys I will show you how to turn on this option. Just follow the video until the end. You go first and you open Snap as usually. Then when your Snap is opening, you go up and click on your profile icon. Then go to settings and click. After settings, go to notification here and click. Then you go down, you will find an option who name best friend message sound. You will just turn on this option by clicking here on display on this icon, since it will be like this. And that's it guys, I hope this video is helpful and useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you next video.